Alright, it's time for another dog and drone search video. Guilford, Connecticut. Hours before the big storm, the big blizzard. This is the one that we've been waiting years for. And there's a lost kitty cat. This is a half a mile from my house. So this is basically a neighbor. And he is right around here, so I'm just gonna set a little trap up for him. A little trap action. See, we've got like 4 cats and 2 dogs on the last 3 to 4 days, something like that. I'm so tired right now. But anyway, let's get another one. I can't film everything. I gotta get like a camera I can wear on my body. Hire camera crew. Alright, we'll set up one camera, one trap. One trap, one camera. Because he's right going to be right at the porch, so isn't it good? Okay, good. Alright. So this is the big storm before the storm. Calm before the storm. We are at Guilford, Connecticut. Down by the docks at the compost. Alright. So, y'all been dragging your pets home. Y'all been telling people about the drag because it's so successful that it's got to start spreading around more and more. It's a very good, safe way to get your pet back. So what I do. Alright, guys. Peace out, and then in your next pictures, you know where we'll be showing you the pictures of the trap with a kitty cat in it. Alright, I don't want to give away any. Let's go around this way. He's got a little foot to go into. Very cool. Trying to fort into his demise. He will be mine. Alright. There's enough evil going around. Let's see what we can do here. I'm gonna need my hands, so peace out. Alright, live action, Guilford, Connecticut. Lured the kitty cat back to the house, and he wasn't going in the trap, he was just kind of hanging out there, so I had the owner let her know that he was out there, so she went down and opened the sliding glass door a little wider, and he came in. So no exciting video, luckily, but he's back home, so that's another successful capture for Dog and Drone Search. Peace out. Alright, Dog and Drone Search. And the storm, the big snowstorm. Whenever they say a big snowstorm's coming, we never get nothing. But anyway, the big snowstorm's coming. Hopefully all the pets are home. This guy was cutting it close, so alright, he didn't go in the trap, he went in the sliding door instead, which is better. Then we don't have to do anything with him. Alrighty. I think this is case number 300, successful case number 300. So, Estelle was here. I know I'm past that, but it was 300 just to be sure. Alright. Peace out. Well, we're back with the conclusion of, I don't know that cat's name, but that case took a whole 2.5 hours. So That's pretty good. He's home. He's safe with his doggy friend now. That's what scared him away, we think. So he's good. He knew enough to get in the house before the storm came. We just had to just wait for him to go in. Anyway, peace out.